Hi, I'm Blizzard and this is Snowy. We'll teach you a little bit about recycling paper. Did you know that recycling paper helps animals? Yes, because I'm an animal. Right, I already knew that. I'm an animal too. But did you know recycling paper also helps trees? No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. What? Recycling paper helps trees because when you recycle 1 ton of paper, you save 17 grown-up trees. And you live in a tree. So, I need trees? If there are no trees, you would go black. If we save trees, we'll save animals that eat birds and animals that eat those animals. Yay! And that's how recycling paper helps animals.